trying to prove that 2 cos x plus 2 cos squared x all over sine 2x, double angle identity there, equals sine x over 1 minus cos x. So the first thing you do, here what I could see, a common factor. So greatest common factor would be 2 cos x. You open up brackets, then this divided by this will give you 1 here, plus this divided by this will just give you 1 plus, I guess, cos x all over. And sine 2x is a double identity, and sine 2x will equal 2 sine x cos x. So we'll just change it to that. So at this stage, I'm just going to reduce. And 2 goes with 2, cos goes with cos. So what I end up with is 1 plus cos x all over sine x. So if you look at this, and you look at this, they kind of have the same, they have the 1, they have the cos, and they have the sine, but one is the reciprocal of the other, and the sign in the middle here, instead of positive, is negative. At this stage here, I know I have to multiply by the conjugate to get this to look eventually like this one. So the conjugate of this is the conjugate of the 1 plus cos x, which will be 1 minus cos x, all over 1 minus cos x. Whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom. So what you should do here to the top, you should FOIL. When you FOIL this, because this is the difference of squares, the middle stuff is going to cancel, so you end up with 1 minus cos squared x. And the bottom, I don't advise you to distribute the sign into here, and the reason why, if you look at this and this, they're exactly the same, so you're hoping that when you finish this, this will stay there and it will match. So now, 1 minus cosine squared, if you look at the addition identity right here, sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. This identity could be manipulated. And since this is 1 minus cos squared, so if you move the cos squared to the other side, it will be sine squared equals 1 minus cos squared. So therefore, 1 minus cos squared is simply sine squared x all over sine x, brackets 1 minus cos x. This sine x will cancel with the square, and you end up with sine x over 1 minus cos x, which equals that side 1 minus cos x. This is done. Thank you for watching.